Okay, I thought I'd do a quick video to document this YZ250X build. So, frame is cleaned. I'm actually using a 2006 frame here. That was in excellent condition. Everything on this bike, pretty much there was a guy parting out brand new YZ250Xs on eBay during the pandemic when I started building this bike. So most everything on here is new 2020 YZ250X parts. There are a couple of parts off of a dealer demo bike that had 4.9 hours on it. New hardware, all the bolts, all this hardware is new. Completely new wiring, bearing races, new OEM Yamaha races, everything's clean. I don't know if you can see in there. The frame was hand polished to a brushed finish. It took way too much time. New rubber parts. I have the new tank pads that go there. I'll be putting those on. Subframe is a 2020 subframe too. Maybe I should pull back a little. Everything is clean. I have the new original end on there that I need to put on. Brand new rear brakes master. New bolts. New subframe bolt. New tank strap. This is a 250X, brand new 250X CDI. All the wiring is obviously new. Like I said, all this hardware is new. New mounts, new bolts, new nuts, new washers. Over here, brand new 250X forks. You can still see the letter, factory letter, no nicks on the ends. Everything's new. New, clean. Like I said, they're 250X forks with the correct valving. Those are the original hubs that were cleaned. I still have to true this wheel. That's a Tusk rim and spoke kit. I have over here, I'll show you some more parts. New 250X cylinder. Still has, it's a size B cylinder. I don't know if you can see in there. Anyway, that's all brand new. New swing arm bolt, nut washer. New triple clamps. New rear sprocket. Also have new front sprocket and the OEM O-ring chain off the new bike. Swing arm, brand new. Rear axle new. Axle spacers new. Chain blocks. All that came as one in one setup from the guy that was parting new bikes. Rear brake caliper, all new OEM Yamaha stuff. Again, from that guy that was parting new bikes. So this chain guide, this came off of, this is almost new, but it's not as new as the swing arm. I have these, I don't know if you can, everything's clean, new, perfect condition. I have these too. You can see down in the bearings, maybe clean, new. I'll be putting some new grease in there because they never grease them enough from the factory. Here's the bushings that go with those, outer spacers. Here's the other half of the new triple. I'm just trying to, that bearing's packed, so I'm trying to keep dirt out of there until I install it. So the front brake. So this is what they put on the new 2023 bikes. At the time I bought it, I researched and matched up part numbers basically. So it's a 2020, a new part off the YZ250F. New master, so that the ratios of the pistons match. Same thing, 2020 YZ450F. And a new front rotor, same thing, it's the correct rotor. So now in 2023, that is the upgrade that Yamaha did on the YZ250s and 250Xs to the better brake. 30% more surface area, a stronger rotor casting, different, or caliper casting, different size pistons, and a different master cylinder piston diameter to go to match those correctly. And this is the same thing, another brand new loaded caliper and the correct bracket to make everything work together. Like I said, the same upgrade that Yamaha has done on the 2023 bikes. And there's more. New front axle, new spacers. This is all OEM Yamaha stuff. New wheel bearings in those wheels. The back wheel is a new Tusk back wheel. I have the 2020 off a new bike again, YZ250X clutch, push rod, bearing, and then the correct 250X later clutch springs. Here I have the linkage rear rotor off that same bike that had 4.9 hours on it. And I have parts everywhere here, but everything, all the brake lines are new OEM Yamaha stuff. New OEM Yamaha kill button. The list keeps going. Oh, over here, a brand new Yamaha OEM YZ250X tank and the graphics, tank graphics, shrouds, all OEM Yamaha. New cap, new hose. I have a new YZ250X petcock with reserve on it to go with that. New mud flap. There's just parts. New filter cage. Oh yeah, the air box. Brand new YZ250X air box and all the clamps. It's all brand new stuff. That's actually, the rest of the plastics are a UFO new kit. Oh, what else? I have a 250X pipe here. Actually, this was a takeoff pipe I got off. It's the correct X pipe. But it was a new takeoff from a guy that put an FMF on there. I also have a new Keyhen carburetor. but that's, I don't have that out right now. And that was the takeoff part off Craigslist, a guy that had a brand new bike that put an Electron on. So everything's new. I'll make another video when I get some more parts together.